This lecture we see the how to remove duplicate from the array. There is we have given the array of the numbers. Here is a 1 2 3 2 4 1 and 5. This is a array. In this array we given the question is remove the duplicate from the array. Ah, so we want to remove the duplicate element from that array. So first of all, see here we write the code for that. This is a it is a we use the collection. In this collection we use the linked hash set. Linked hash set means it has a property. It cannot contain the duplicate inside the linked hash set. So we take the set linked hash set. Next we write here the for each loop. In this for each loop, array come the array inside here array, and this array is come in the num. Then 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 there is a that number is go inside the set. In this set number is but linked has set check it is duplicate. It if it is duplicate it cannot contain only distinct number is only it stored in this only distinct number is set. So and after that it print the set. We see the output of that code here. We run there we run and run check. This is our duplicate. This is show. Here is our output. Here is our output. Here is no content duplicate value. Suppose we have here write check. Here is we write 855 there. Then our next after write 5 first. I run this code. Control save. Check. See this. Here is check this. Here is our output. No, only distinct element 5 is can means it remove the duplicate element. This is our code. By using the linked hash set, we write the code of the remove duplicate from the element. So thank you guys.